Okay, hello there cameras and welcome in a new video, and in this video we'll review with you the K617 keyboard and if you should buy it or not. The keyboard is from REDRAGON and it has a nice RGB and comes with red switches. The keyboard works with the USB Type-C that comes with the box. Inside the box you also get some keycap spoiler with some red switches in case one broke or anything, which is really nice. In a short experience, the red switches do less noise while typing or playing, while blue or green switches can be very noisy and annoying. In my opinion, get red switches. Here is a small comparison to see the difference. Blue, red, brown or green. All switches are merely the same, but the main difference can be in the sound. The keyboard has its own app, which you can find the link for it in the description. Inside it you can manage the RGB and set up the shortkeys and do macro and so. The RGB is really nice and has a lot of modes that you can discover them either by pressing Fn and Alt or from the app. Here you can see all the RGB modes that you can change. There are multiple colors to the keyboard, choose whatever you like. What I also like is that they gave you a lot of REDRAGON stickers in the picture, which you can use them whenever you want. Even this Pick Ready for Battle picture is also a sticker. Overall, the keyboard is really nice and worth the price, which is around $22 to $28 in AliExpress. If you are looking for a 60% keyboard and you are a big fan of RGB, then this keyboard is for you. In the description you can find the link for the keyboard if you wanna buy it in my Discord server, where you can find some good AliExpress deal there. I'm looking forward to see other keyboards from REDRAGON. They will be reviewing other keyboards soon. And that's all. If you liked the video, make sure to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.